The question is A. Mention any two components of blood. B. Trace the movement of oxygenated blood in the body. C. Write the function of valves present in between atria and ventricles. D. Write one structural difference between the composition of artery and veins. Let's answer the A part. Mention any two components of blood. The answer for this question is two components of blood are plasma and cells. Plasma is the liquid component of blood that contains water, proteins, electrolytes, and various other substances. Blood cells include red blood cells, that is RBCs, white blood cells, that is WBCs, and platelets. Now let's answer B part. Trace the movement of oxygenated blood in the body. The answer for this question is movement of oxygenated blood in the body. First, lungs. Oxygenated blood from the lungs enter the left atrium of the heart through the pulmonary veins. Second, left ventricle. The oxygenated blood is pumped from the left atrium to the left ventricle. Third, aorta. The left ventricle pumps oxygenated blood into the aorta, that is the largest artery in the body. Fourth, arteries. The aorta branches into smaller arteries which carry oxygenated blood to the body's tissues and organs. Fifth, capillaries. Arteries eventually divide into tiny capillaries where oxygen and nutrients are exchanged with the tissues. Then veins, deoxygenated blood from the capillaries collect in veins which return the blood to the heart. So we can say that movement of oxygenated blood in the body takes place in following manner, that is from lungs to left ventricle, from left ventricle to aorta, from aorta to arteries, from arteries to capillaries, from capillaries to vein, and then back to heart, and from heart it will move back to lungs, and the same process will continue. Now let's answer the C part. Write the function of valves present in between atria and ventricles. The answer for this question is function of valves between atria and ventricles. The valves between atria and ventricles prevent blood from flowing backward. This ensures that blood flows in the correct direction through the heart. First is tricuspid valve, which is located between right atrium and right ventricle, and next is mitral valve, also known as bicuspid valve, which is located between left atrium and left ventricle. Now let's answer the D part. Write one structural difference between the composition of artery and veins. The answer for this is structural difference between arteries and veins. Arteries generally have thicker walls than veins to withstand high pressure of blood pumped from the heart. Veins often contain valves to prevent the blood from flowing backward, and valves are absent in arteries. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.